a big thing to consider also is training and the role that training plays. But for us, the staff training and change management played such a pivotal role, but at an earlier stage than actual implementation. It started at the stage where we had to convince your directors and your senior management to move away from an actual handheld phone to answering a call on a laptop and to convince them that it is better to do that. And this is what makes Telviva such a great solution. To our old school execs, we could provide a handheld phone on that standing on the desk. But to the eager minds and adapters, they were the ones that helped us to be the change agents and to assist in helping those hesitant staff to do the change over to the soft phone. And currently, throughout the entire company, we've got one handheld phone left. All the rest is soft phones. And I really want to thank Telviva, how you went and walked with us through the entire change process. You never backed off and you kept being the specialist and giving that advice.